Hey guys, what's going on? It's Kyle. I'm just going to do a little unboxing video for you guys. It's been a while since I've posted, so I figured I'd give you guys an update on my next little project. I haven't done anything else really to the car, except for, well, these, just because I've been saving. So I'm changing my headlights that I have now, which are the quad Demon Eye projectors that I got from Boost on Demon X back in 2015, and changing them for LEDs. So right now I'm getting this here. It's a color changing LED, which is sweet. So it's going to go high power white like this, and I'm also going to be able to control the LEDs inside with a color wheel on my phone using an app. So I'm pretty excited about that. Never done LED, so I'm hoping that I don't run into any resistor issues or any other issues that I've seen possibly happen to the cars before. So I'll get into the headlights here. So I'm getting the Audi style headlights and taillights matching. And I've obviously already opened up the boxes so that I could check for damage and all that stuff other than that, but yeah, didn't want to mess around with scissors and knives and stuff while I'm trying to film. So here they are. Look pretty clean so far, but only thing I don't know if I'm going to like or not is the chrome part here. I probably should have seen if he had like a blacked out look, but it's not a whole lot, and all this here is necessary anyway, like reflector and all that. So so far not so bad. No, I don't see any damage or anything like that, and definitely looks a lot better put together than the ones that I got from Boost on Demon X. The when I got it from him, like, it wasn't even closed properly. There was no sealant all the way around it. Like here you could see the sealant coming out, so I know they're at least sealed, or at least there's some. Whereas the ones that I got from him were like glued on, like barely. So yeah, looks pretty good so far. It's made from made in China, sorry, and yeah, so far it looks pretty much just plug and play, which is cool. Let's see if there's I'll see this here. There's some kind of a fuse right here, right there. So we'll see how that goes. And ooh, a map. Map of knowledge. Look at this, ACC line. Okay, and then that's a fuse box, and that's a fuse, so I bet you that's what they're talking about, ACC line. So we'll see. ACC daylight wire, boom. So that must just be for the actual LED strip, the Audi strip there. And considering they're supposed to be LEDs, I guess they got a bonus thing of xenons, so that's sweet. Little piece broken out there. I don't know why, but nothing else is broken, so it seemed to be intact inside anyway. Alright, so those are the headlights. And then the other one here, I'll check that later for any damage or anything. I guess we'll move on to the taillights here. So these are the blacked out housings, which is kind of why I was like, shoot, I should have seen if he had a blacked out set of actual headlights. So these guys look pretty badass. The guy that I got these from, his Instagram is Work.Hustle.kill, and he's located down in the States there. He posts a lot of videos and stuff of raffles and everything that he does for a set of headlights and taillights, etc. So I've been talking to him for a little bit before I actually bought these, just to gauge how I'm gonna react to them, and so far I'm not mad at it. So these look pretty sweet. Still reflective and stuff when you look into it with the light, and they're blacked out and subtle, so pretty there's no caps on the back. I hope that there's caps on the back of my car. This must be, it's just a piece of tape on the back here of some sort to seal a hole by the looks of it. Random, but seems to be plug and play. And the only thing I've really heard about LEDs is that it messes up with the car's computers and electronics because it just doesn't run a high of a voltage. So I'm gonna need resistors of some sort. Ooh, the thing that I like about this so far is that I'm getting a how-to for dummies pack, which is important for when you're not an electrician and you're about to do some random stuff that you've never. Oh look, dummy load. Oh, that's what that is. Dummy load. Okay, so that would be a resistor. Sweet. That's awesome. So I plug you in and my problems go away and you absorb all the dummy that I put into this car. That's good. I like that. That's good. So yeah, it is all just plug and play then, which is awesome. These are the other taillights that he does. It's just either red or black is what he was saying. Because I remember asking about the taillights specifically because chrome kind of looks stupid nowadays. So this ain't you know, 2002 anymore. So yeah, that's the taillights there, and they seem all right. The only concern that I have right now is just the backs there. As you can see, there's no seal like this one here has. This one's got a rubber. Oh, it's plastic. Okay. Yeah, a little rubber seal inside a little plastic circle. And then these ones don't have a plug, so I'm hoping that there's ones on the back of the taillights on my OEM ones that I'm going to be able to take and put off onto there. So, alright guys, yeah, so that's the taillights there and the headlights you've seen. Let me know what you guys think. I'm going to be doing an install video for that there probably tonight or tomorrow. We'll see how the week ends for me. And I'm sorry for taking a long time for posting videos. It's just car parts are expensive nowadays, and well, I don't make a lot of money. So here we go. Thanks a lot for watching, you guys, and I'm freaking excited to get these in and give you guys the finished product. So I'll check you guys out later, and you guys will check out this video and let me know what you think. Alright, cheers.